Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we will be taking a look at how you can go through with Notion Aesthetic, how to sign up, and what is basically a Notion Aesthetic. So let's get started. Let's get into it. First, we all need to know what is Notion Aesthetics. Basically a blank slate. It's easy for TikToker to use Notion to show off their personality by uploading photos, importing fonts, arrange templates, and make it for color scheme. So now let me just go through with that platform. First, all you need to go is to go on Google and type notion.so. Once you're done, you will see the landing page like this. This is the official page. For one workspace, every team, we are more than a dog or a table. Customize Notion to work the way you do. And when you scroll all it down, you will see a different gesture, different thing at that. Alrighty, team up without the cause, never ask what's the contest again, build the workflow you want, benefit from a global ecosystem of creators, each and everything is called down. Let me just quickly sign up with that. So you will see the option here, try Notion free. Click on that and you will see the sign up application. You need to continue with your Google account. So let me just continue with my email, my Google account. Just once you email, you will be added to the extension with that. It's gonna sign up here for your account. So how are you planning to use Notion? For my team, for personal, for your school, for personal use, click on continue. What kind of work you do? So customer service, what's your role, department lead, what you're planning in Notion, project management. Alright, so just simply click on continue and it's gonna be getting ready for you and taking you to the workshop. And this is basically a workshop workspace. So on the left side you will see my profile and different options and getting started, welcome to Notion. Here the basic each and everything you will see that. And you will see the template option. It gives you different aesthetic. You can write a project brief, schedule team offsite, build Adam console. All these things are being in here. And customize a lot of different projects. You can you can assign different users with creating with new templates, and that's all you need to do with that. So this is how you can use with that platform to sign up the application with that platform. Go with different Notion Aesthetic, and if you like that video, make sure you subscribe this channel, and I will catch you on the next video. Thanks so much.